During this session, we will walk you through how to log on to FACES and how to search for an available location for an event that you will be hosting on campus. Once you have logged into MyEOL, and the browser that we recommend is Google Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer, but there are a few problems with it, so the browser of choice is Google Chrome. So once you logged in to MyEOL, you want to go up here and you want to search for FACES. I'm going to do a search on FACES. And once you get your list, you want to right click. You want to open link in a new tab. Then you want to go to the new tab. Once you get here, this is the FACES web page. It tells you what FACES is. It talks about what R25 is. R25 is the Oracle database that we use to store all our information. And then it also tells you a little bit about how FACES work. It uses the information in the R25 database, and it also presents a calendar. But all the information that you're searching for, like location of a facility, is in the R25 database. So from here we have FACES Tests and we have FACES Production. To search for our location, we're going to right click and we're going to go to FACES Production. So I'm going to right click on this link, left click on Open in a new tab. Now, one of the things I want to make a point about is we're in FACES Production. You will be in FACES Tests during the training session, but for right now I'm going to show you how to log into FACES Production, because on FACES Production you have the whole building with a burgundy background. FACES Tests, let's show you what that looks like as well. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open the link in a new tab. And we're going to let this FACES come up as well. This is FACES Tests. FACES Tests have a burgundy background with the eagle. Okay, so this is the test environment and this is the production environment. So once you have accessed FACES, you see that you have about 5 different tabs. You have a home tab, and on the home tab you have 2 sub tabs. Then you have the event tab, location tab, resources, and organization. If you look at the calendar, the calendar will show you all the events that are currently confirmed right now. It's showing you all the events that are currently confirmed for these dates, April the 14th through April the 27th. Okay, but what I want to show you is how to log onto the system and search for an available spot. You really don't have to be logged in to search for an available location. So one of the things I'm going to do is look in the Student Union. SU stands for Student Union, or you can spell out student, and it will also pull the information. So we're going to do a keyword search to show you all the available space on the Student Union. I'm going to hide this. Now, what you're looking at now is the availability tab. Let's talk first about the list tab. On the list tab, what you see here is a list of all the available spaces in the data identified in the database, and we have a total of 9. It tells you the name and the room, SU 104. It gives you the formal name, Alphonsa Elder Student Union, and it's room 104. It shows you the features that are in each of the rooms. It gives you a layout of each room, and it also gives you the capacity of each room, all the information that you would need to schedule a facility. So we're going to the availability tab. On the availability tab, it tells you which rooms are available. So if you look at SU 109, it is available from 7 until about 5:30, because you see here there's something going on at 6:30 to 8:30, and I'm just moving my mouse over the event that's shaded in green, which lets me know that there's something going on in the Student Union in that specific room. It gives you the name of the event, student leadership. It gives you a specific unique reference number. It gives you the time that the event is reserved, from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30. It also gives you the hosting organization and the locations that will be used for this event. So they're using two rooms, SU-104 and SU-104A. So most of the standard hour of opening for all buildings on campus is 7, and they close at 11 p.m. So anywhere you see that there is a white or gray spot, it is available for you to log in. But now we are not logged into the system. We have accessed the system, but we have not logged in. And anywhere there's an available spot, you can see that you can log in. Okay, so we're looking at the SU patio is free. This lobby is taken up very much, a large percent of the time. So now, in order we have a location. We're going to be in SU. And it's showing me this is for April the 14th. So if I want to find a different date, I'm looking for April the 23rd for an available spot. So I'm going to select the 23rd. And it shows me the availability of the rooms for the 23rd. So on the 23rd, I need to have a meeting. I want to use SU-104, and my meeting will occur from 9 to 12. So I'm going to log in at that time to see for my meeting, and the space is available. So let's check also on the 24th. Okay, it's also open on the 24th just in case. So I'm just checking for available dates. The 22nd, 23rd, the 24th is available, and let's just check one other date. I want to check the 25th as well to make sure I have available space. And the rooms that I want to use is SU-104 and SU-104 or SU-104A. So those rooms are available. Now for the calendar view, we'll just show you the events on the calendar. Okay, so this is how you can search for available space, and we have not even signed in on Faces. Okay, again, to search for available space, you do not have to log in. Thank you for viewing Faces.